This is Elite 4031 random team. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Team on top at the end will go to person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to person spot number 32. Here we go. Good luck to all. Elite 4031. Let's randomize it and begin. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is Chargers. Bottom team is the Rams. Let's do this thing. Jags are in spot 17. That's 5 times. Let's go. Get rid of the randomizer. 17 is Talon. Congrats, Talon. Here we go. 4031. Let's do it. Oh. Elite. I should probably write this down. 4031. Alrighty. '49ers package. Oh, '49ers is really good. Jim's got a feeling about a 1-on-1. Alrighty. Rookie lead is Terrace Marshall Jr. Swift Garoppolo. We'll start moving through these a bit quicker. We know what they look like these at this point. Here we go. A star status of McCaffrey. They're really pretty. I like those. Number 2, 349. T. Higgins, Strahan. Tom Brady base, nice. And Moxie of Gronk. Go on, be patchy. It is a thicker card to 49. The gold, I guess. Moxie gold. Beautiful card there for the Buccaneers. Nice elite deck, Patty Mahomes. Adams Donald. That's all good, Heath. A blue to just 10 for the Lions of Levi Onwuzurike. Khalil Mack and Joey Bosa. To 24 for the Cardinals, J.J. Watt. That is the die cut. Ridley and Cook. We'll have a look at that one. Quite a cool card. I don't love these die cuts, just quietly. Von Miller and turn of the century auto to just 99, Sage Surratt. And Justin Fields Elite Company. That is for, of course, the Lions. Lions having a good day out so far. Brady again. A.J. Brown for the Titans. Rookie on deck of Jeremiah Owusu-Freeman. To 509 for the Lions, Penei Sewell. To 309, Adekunbo Ongundeji. Auto, nice for the Dolphins, pen pals, Jalen Waddle. That's very nice for the Dolphins. Congratulations. And look at that auto. Very nice. Alvin Kamara Elite Deck. Cam, they're 150 bucks. To 909, Kenneth Gainwell. Terry McLaurin. Jalen Waddle. Again, he's all over the shop now. Justin Fields is Bears, yes. Ian Book for the Saints to 49. To 99, Larry Roundtree to third, rookie for the Chargers. Patrick Surtain to 699. No, just 909. Yeah, so there's archives, and then there's a similar product coming out tomorrow, which is called something else. Oh, I cannot remember. Someone tell me what it's called. Nice. Mac Jones, rookie on deck. Baker Mayfield to 99, dual threats. I cannot remember the product name. Patrick Mahomes. Lamar Jackson, Aaron Donald. Ascension of the Bucks. Clearly authentic tomorrow is one card per box, one auto. To 399, Jobo. Box 2. Olaka. DK Metcalf. Jeez, he's the only guy I've hit. Moxie. Not the only guy, but. Rookie leader is Justin Fields for the Bears. You leaving when you're meant to be, Tabby? Yeah. To 349, Logan Thomas. What time's that? 9:22. Dual threats. Nice. Is there many people on it? Like, could you miss the bus? Stephon Diggs, elite deck. They won't wait for me. No, but it's in like, sorry, if there's too many people, could you miss it? Oh, no, it's not that busy. Okay. Julio Jones to 399. Not sure, Jim. We'll have something. It won't exactly be cherry pies, but it'll be close. Matt Stafford. Tom Brady. Greg Rousseau to 999 for the Bills. Ascension of the Bills. I believe they're just called convention packs. Matt Stafford. Oh, Jesus. You don't want my pies. You seen any controversial inserts today? What the hell is this? Sorry, there's rookie on deck, Trey Lance. And the single passing the torch auto version to 75, Rondé Barber. I don't know why I started over that. Seth Williams to 399. So Rondé Barber for the Buccaneers. He was a really good teammate, Tabby. Old Tiki. Kept their hair in check. Mr. Sierra Mieto himself, 23-24, George Kittle. And was an offensive weapon. I wish I was dead. Seth Williams. Burn it down. Ezekiel Elliott. Jackson. Kenneth Gainwell to 909. No, unfortunately, clearly Donruss. 1 second. Rondale Moore for the Cardinals. Pen pals. Nice. Nice little one there. Greg Rousseau, Elite Company. The... to 309, DeAndre Swift. The Yes, Josh, I've got your order for personals. Don't worry. Larry Fitzgerald Elite Deck. The clearly Donruss has been pushed back till Friday. Since today. Oh, star status of Tom Brady for the Buccaneers. He looks like a magical girl. Like he looks like he's about to do a full like Sailor Moon thing. Fighting on by daylight. You ever watch Sailor Moon?
I did, but I don't remember the song.
When she did like the transformation and she kind of went naked. Rookie elitist, Jamar Chase. You know what I'm talking about?
I was like, wow, I like girls.
Really? Who's your favorite Sailor Scout? Patrick Surtain to 999.
Did you ever watch Winx Club?
Yes.
Yeah, that was a turning point for me. I'm not saying it was the other way.
Nick Chubb to 99 for the Cleveland Browns. Chaz Surratt to 49 for the Minnesota Vikings. Josh Allen and Spark Plugs. Is that an auto set or a jersey set? It is a jersey set of Justin Herbert for the Chargers. Rookie on deck, Penei Sewell. No, I liked Winx Club. Did you ever watch the remake they did?
On Netflix?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. My sister did.
Oh, really? Did you like it? Have you watched any of the new iCarly?
There's no iCarly.
Yeah. It's just Freddie, Carly, and Spencer.
Really?
Yeah, look at that. Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, Jeanette McCurdy's not there. Ascension of the Buccaneers, but
Wow, that's interesting.
the rest are... No, Magda, no personals. That's it. I'm taking his fucking hammer away.
That's it.
That's it. Dylan Moses to 999.
You only get one form of water, mate.
I told him a million times.
I know.
3903. Later on this week, Cam. To 98, Matt Ryan. Nice. No, I said they booked it. Oh, Trevor Lawrence to 84 aspirations for the Jags. That's a big boy right there. Congratulations, Jags. Nice little Trevor Lawrence, our first one. Very nice. Congratulations to the Jags. Short print as well. First one we've seen. Kyler Murray jersey. Nice. Moxie. Late deck, Nick Bosa. Donald Devin White. Full throttle to 349, Raheem Mostert. Ezekiel Elliott. Jackson. Trey Lance, rookie on deck. $2.99, J.C. Horn. He's still there, Tabby? Oh, he's gone. Tyson Campbell to 909. The player worn, these ones. The Kyler Murray. Greg Rousseau, Elite Company. Josh Allen. Turn of the century. Jeezy's doubled up here to 49. Jalen Waddle. Yes, that's correct, Jim. They only come in numbered rookies. Elite deck of Larry Fitzgerald. So Waddle is all over this place. To 309, Rondale Moore. Tylen Wallace to 98. Elite die cut. Yeah, well that's it. You know, more Waddle than the Penguin Parade. Jalen Waddle again. Jeez, he is everywhere. Elite rookie. Justin Fields for the Bears to 599. Is that 5? Yes, 599. And for the Washington football team, it's Dyami Brown, Pen Pals. And Jamar Chase, rookie elitist. Someone told me about Dyami Brown. Is he any good? Swans to win the whole thing, Maggie. Nice, to 399, Tom Brady. For the Patriots. Just so that stands. Penny still rookie on deck. He's good. You'll love to see it. Love to see a on-card auto of a good one. Tom Brady, Patriots. Aaron Rodgers, star status to 99. Chase Young, Joe Namath. And that is that for Elite 4031.